Tired of your Venmo balance just sitting there? Let's get that money moving to your Chase account in a few easy steps. First, open your Venmo app and tap the menu icon, those three little lines usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Now scroll down until you see Settings and give that a tap. In the Settings menu, select Bank and Cards. This is where you'll manage your linked accounts. Now, you'll see an option titled Add Bank or Card. Tap on that option to initiate linking your Chase account. You will be directed to add a bank or card. Select Bank. Choose Instant Verification for the quickest setup. It will prompt you to log into your Chase account securely through Venmo if you prefer. You can choose Manual Verification, which involves entering your routing and account numbers, but will require a bit more waiting to verify. Authenticate with your Chase credentials. And once linked, you might need to confirm a small test deposit. This confirms you are who you say you are. Now that your Chase account is linked and verified, go back to your Venmo home screen and tap on your Venmo balance. Next, you should select Transfer to Bank to initiate the transfer process. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer to your Chase account. Then, select whether you would like to instant transfer or standard transfer. Standard transfers can take 13 business days. Lastly, confirm all the details. Review everything one last time, and if it looks good, confirm with transfer. You're all set, and your funds are on their way.